Hi everyone. I recently completed my 6 days orientation program at NIIT Engineering College, Enapoya campus, Mangalore. I couldn't record everything, every moment also. So instead of showing every moment, everything, so I want to just share my honest experience. On my first day, I was really excited but also nervous. Almost everyone was wearing the college uniform while I came in casual clothes. For a moment, I thought I had made a mistake, but after meeting a few classmates and making my first friend, I was really started feeling comfortable.
I'm from India.
I'm from Bangalore. He's from
Kasaragod.
I'm from Kasargod.
Ah.
Hosangi.
I'm from 4 hours. From Bhatkal.
Are you from?
I'm from Balai. Border place.
Andhra. You know Telugu?
I know Telugu. Kannada, Hindi, Tulu, Hindi.
During these 6 days, we attended orientation session, explored main Enapoya campus, visited different labs, and learned about computer science and artificial intelligence and data science, communication skills, internships, career opportunities. I'll be honest, someone's speech may be little long, but the campus visit activities and meeting new people made whole experience memorable. ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಷಿಕೇಶ್ ಫೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್, ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ರಾರ್ ದುಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫುಲ್. ಇದು ಟಾಪರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ 12th ಟಾಪರ್ ಫೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ತ್
Penchan.
ಫುಲ್. Finally, today orientation program is completed. Totally 6 days, na?
Yes.
So how is the orientation program?
Orientation program was very nice. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡು ನನಗೆ ಸಖತ್ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬ್ರೋ?
ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್
ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡುವ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಬೈ ಗೈಸ್.